Start with the big story that we are tracking on WION at this hour. India is at a very crucial juncture at this point of time. The virus is still spreading from individuals. The community transmission isn't happening. That is, of course, stage 3 and extremely scary for India as a big populous country right now. Most cases have been traced and isolated. This is what is being stated. Now, on WION, we've been reporting on this outbreak from the word go, starting with the numbers. So far, 151 confirmed cases are present in India. 25 of them are foreign nationals. 10 new cases were reported in just the last 24 hours. And 15 patients of this total are said to have recovered and have been discharged so far. A total of 3 deaths has also been reported in India. Now, there are more Indians infected abroad, that is outside of India. As many as about 276 of them are said to have caught the viral infection. Now, of these, 255 cases are in Iran, 12 in the United Arab Emirates, and 5 in Italy, and 1 each in Hong Kong, Kuwait, Rwanda, and Sri Lanka. The evacuations are very much on. A total of 591 Indians have been rescued from Iran so far. 201 were brought back recently. They have been quarantined at an army facility in Jaisalmer. An AirAsia flight carrying Indian students from Malaysia is also expected to land by midnight this evening. In Ladakh, the Indian Army has reported its very first case of COVID-19. A 34-year-old soldier has tested positive. He is said to be a resident of Leh. He reportedly got the virus from his father, who had recently returned from a pilgrimage to Iran. Now, the Indian Army has postponed all courses, that is non-essential training and movement. Most conferences have now gone digital. Advisories have also been issued for naval ships moving in international waters. Meanwhile, in Noida, the satellite city of New Delhi, the total number of coronavirus infections is now risen to 4. Just recently, a 26-year-old man with a travel history to Indonesia has tested positive. Delhi has 10 cases in total so far. In Lucknow, a doctor at the King George Medical University tested positive. He had come in contact with 2 patients. 14 other people working in the isolation ward have also now been put under quarantine. Meanwhile, in Kolkata, the entire state secretariat has been disinfected, including the office of the West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. This after the son of a bureaucrat had tested positive. The patient is said to be an 18-year-old student who had recently returned from London and at that point of time did not self-isolate. And also interestingly, the religious sites across India are also stepping up measures. In Amritsar, the Golden Temple, the holiest shrine in Sikhism, has started thermal screening of devotees. And in Dharmashala, the Dalai Lama's temple has also been shut as a precaution. The guidelines have been issued for the management of dead bodies as well. This is, of course, a serious issue. The Indian Health Ministry has set certain protocols for funerals and burials of coronavirus victims. Guidelines for environmental disinfection, handling of dead bodies and precautions have also been released. Raising awareness, of course, is the need of the hour.